Hey guys, it's Keturah. Today I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be filming a vlog. So right now I am outside and me and my mom are doing this like little thing where we're making over these chairs. So right now we're going to the store and buying some cushions and a rug to go with these chairs. Before I hop into this video, give this video a like. Also comment down below what's your favorite vlog from my channel. And also subscribe down below to be a part of the KA family. And let's just hop right into this video. Before I leave, I'm just going to show you what chairs we have. So we just have these chairs, these plain basic chairs, and you guys can see why we need cushions. And then we just have these red pillows. We have this really cute table. So let's hop right into the vlog. Okay, so I am in Walmart and I have to go to the service desk to take back these cushions. Like, can I take these back? They didn't fit.
Look my Wookie. Ooh.
They got some nice stuff too.
Yeah, how much is it? I ain't paying $129 for that.
So many weird people in there.
That's where they gather.
Yeah. So. Gosh, look at all those flowers.
You know? Girl, get behind me or something. You all up on me.
The correct term is.
All up on me.
The correct term is.
Back up off me.
The correct term is.
Move.
The correct term is that I'm on the side. The correct term is that I'm on the side of the
Scram.
Okay, whatever. These are so cute.
I say.
And look at this one. Ew, this one's hit. But look at this.
Cutie patootie.
And they're only $4.24. Wow.
Put that fern on that table. Perfect color and everything. See that? Bulb.
This will go perfect with the chairs. But I like these pink ones. These pink ones really stand out. Oh my.
Careful, that's black.
It is?
Yeah, girl.
I kind of figured. Oh my gosh. It says, for their safety, no children allowed up the stairs. I'm about to go. My mom's all the way down there. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Wow. Gosh, what if I fell? What if I dropped my phone? That'll be the worst. I'm on the swingy thing. in the patio section. Oh my gosh, I almost made it fall. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That was so fun. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm not talking to you.
Oh. Goes with the
No.
This
no.
kind of like blend in.
My mom picked up this granny pillow. I don't know why in the world this was in her cart, but she put it in her cart, and this is a granny pillow. Okay, so my mom told me to put this cushion back, so we're gonna play some indoor frisbee. So let's go. Oh, are you kidding me? One more try. Mom's over there. One more try. Why? I'm just confused. These pops are lame. Really cute kitchen backsplash. Oh. I thought it was out of your whip. Mom? Mom? Where did my mom go? Oh, she's all the way over there. Mom, what are you doing running away from me? Hold up, stop going so fast. Once again. Mom! Where did she go? Mom! Wow, I found her. Mom, stop leaving me! Stop leaving me! What?
Oops, some vanilla ice cream. And an ice water.
So we ended up getting this rug. It's really cute. We got this from Menards. We've been had this table. I don't know where she got this from. She probably got it from garage sale. And then we got this plant. I don't know where she got this from, but it's a fern. And then she got this flower pot from Menards. I don't know where she got the chairs from, but she got these seat covers from Menards. This pillows from somewhere, I don't know. And then my mom got this umbrella from the Habitat Restore. And then she got this, she been had this pot and she been had this. And I don't know where she got the table from. And then she got these candles from Sam's Club. And these candles from Menards. And this is what the candles look like.
Bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. Hey, hey.